Hi boys and girls. You ready to join me for an adventure? Follow me. Remember when we talked about holes in the trees and how they were homes to different animals, like birds and their families? Let's take a look at my tree. Okay, here is the tree in my front yard. Let's check out this first branch here. Be super quiet. There's a nest. There's no birds here. Can you see the nest? A few months ago, there have been some baby birds here, and a couple of them actually fell out of the nest. I saw it falling out, kind of sad. I tried to save it and bring it back up here, but it didn't make it. So it's not exactly in a hole, but it looked like it made a home here. I think I spot another hole. Let's check it out. Be super quiet. No birds, but I hear birds out there. Let's check out the other branches. Here we go. Can you hear the birds? This one's a really big hole. And in the morning, I see the mama bird bringing food to its babies inside this one. They might have grown up and left it, but there's a nest inside. Let me see if I can take a picture. I don't think the birds live here anymore. But in the springtime, there were lots of baby birds here chirping every morning. There's one nest, here's another. The leaf covering. Nothing there. No baby birds, they're all grown up and flew away. And there you have it, boys and girls. This is my tree. Oh, there's one more nest. It's not in a tree. It's in my rose bush. Let's check it out. Can you hear the birds? Those birds don't belong to this nest, but I'll share with you a video of the recording I made when I did see the baby birds in here. You followed me over here to where the treehouse is. Come up this treehouse and see what we find. There's actually a nest right behind me. It did have eggs, but I think they hatched. Let's check it out. Here's the nest. Looks like there's just a bunch of ants there now. No birds. No eggs. The babies hatched, grew up, and flew away.